Welcome back, everyone. Today's video exposes a shocking police encounter that's already sparked outrage. One officer has been fired, charges have been filed, but the real question is, who was actually in the wrong? Watch closely, because what happens next changes everything.
So we just got pulled over. Let's see what he wants to say. I'm kind of nervous. Don't put your phone away. Oh man, forever getting pulled over. What's up? No, I'm not going to jump out.
So
Why am I going to jump out?
So do I have to stand in the road? Because I'm going
For
to
what?
get run over. So I want you to stand that side of the road. So I can speak to you without running.
Speak to me about what?
You driving?
What was wrong? I slowed down. I said sorry.
Just get out the car and stand over there.
Why?
If I'm stood in the road, I'm going to get run over.
Why? Why you stand the other side then? Innit? I'm nervous though.
I don't give a fuck.
Chill. What's wrong with this guy trying to open the car and that? Make sure your face ain't in it. Lean back. Go back.
What's your name, Matt? You got a license on you?
Yeah, I ain't got it on me, but...
No? So it's an offence not to carry your license?
Oh, why are you doing this, bro?
No, do you know it's an offence not to carry your license?
Does everyone carry their license with them?
No, but I'm telling you...
So why are you stopping me? What, road traffic act? What section?
One, speeding. Okay. Two, you've driven all the way down there for about a mile in the third lane when the second lane was empty.
Okay. Anything else?
So ultimately, your driving's a...
Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up, because this encounter doesn't slowly unfold. It detonates from the very first second. The scene opens with a driver announcing they've just been pulled over, and instantly the atmosphere tightens. There's no casual small talk, no routine calm, just tension hanging thick in the air. Even before the officer speaks, something already feels off. The driver's tone carries unease, a mixture of curiosity and suspicion, as if he senses this stop might be more than a routine traffic check. Then comes the first red flag. The officer appears to attempt opening the car door prematurely. That single action shifts the entire dynamic. To viewers watching, it raises an immediate question. Why escalate physical interaction before even explaining the reason for the stop? The driver notices it too, and his confusion becomes part of the narrative tension. This isn't just a stop anymore. It's a psychological chess match beginning to form. When the questioning begins, the officer lists reasons for the stop: speeding, lane usage, attitude. But instead of clarifying the situation, the explanation introduces uncertainty. The driver calmly challenges each claim, asking direct, logical questions. His composure is striking. Rather than panic or argue emotionally, he responds strategically, forcing the officer to justify every statement. That shift is crucial. What started as a simple roadside stop now feels like a test of authority versus awareness. The driver's tone grows more confident as he continues, pointing out that he has valid documents and nothing illegal to hide. The officer's authority remains present, but its certainty begins to feel less solid. Viewers can sense it, that subtle imbalance where one side expects compliance, yet the other refuses to surrender clarity. By the end of this segment, the stage is fully set. The conflict is no longer hypothetical. It's real, it's active, and it's escalating. The audience is left leaning forward, wondering whether this will stay a routine stop or spiral into something much bigger. And that uncertainty is exactly what makes this opening so gripping. It doesn't just introduce a situation, it ignites a story.
Alright,
well, I said sorry, I slowed down. Like, there's no need for this. Could you identify yourself?
And then
please?
your attitude's crap.
Well, I can have a bad attitude. It's not against the law to have a bad attitude. So I've got license, I've got insurance,
You're
everything's legit.
Are you really embarrassed? Are you really embarrassed by his behaviour? Because I would be.
I mean, bro, like, it's not the end of the world. Like, this guy's a weirdo, bro. Trying to open the car and that. I was barely even speeding. Forever getting pulled over. Well, easy content, innit? Pass me the vape. So what's this, a road traffic stop?
Sorry?
This is a road traffic stop, is it?
Road traffic.
Now the encounter shifts gears, and what we're witnessing is no longer a traffic stop, but a battle of composure versus authority. As this segment begins, the driver's strategy becomes crystal clear. He doesn't shout, he doesn't panic, and he doesn't escalate emotionally. Instead, he asks precise, calculated questions. What speed was he going? What exactly does the officer want? What is being investigated? Each question lands like a spotlight, forcing the officer to step into the center of scrutiny. The officer attempts to maintain control, but the conversation subtly tilts. This is no longer an officer interrogating a driver. It's a driver dissecting the justification for the stop. The tension grows thicker with every exchange. The driver references his dashcam, calmly reminding the officer that everything is being recorded. That detail changes the psychological landscape instantly. Cameras alter behavior. They introduce accountability. And in this moment, it's clear the driver understands that. He's not just participating in the encounter, he's documenting it. The officer continues pressing, but the driver's calm persistence begins to dominate the rhythm of the interaction. His tone suggests he's not intimidated. He's curious, analytical, almost clinical in his approach. Viewers can feel the power dynamic shifting inch by inch. Authority is still present, but control is slipping. What makes this segment especially compelling is the underlying suspense. There's no shouting match, no dramatic outburst, just a quiet contest of logic and patience. That silence between questions becomes louder than any argument. The audience starts wondering, will the officer regain control, or is this stop slowly unraveling under scrutiny? By the time this section ends, one thing is undeniable. The interaction has transformed. This is no longer routine. It's a test, and both sides know it.
Yeah.
Okay. What section?
What was your name? Is that your first name?
That's my second name. Yeah, that's me, yeah.
What's your date of birth, please?
090497. Forever getting pulled over, man. Should never have bought this. That's right. What's your name?
PC Little, mate.
Alright, mate. Where are you based at?
Main Police Station.
Alright. So was I speeding? I don't think I was speeding.
What?
I don't think I was speeding.
You were?
I was barely. I was going like 70.
I was in lane one and you come past at a stupid speed and then you...
Nah, I wasn't. Not really.
Careless driving.
Well, have you got it on camera? Because I got a dash cam right there.
I can get you on camera all the way down the motorway in lane 3 if you want.
Alright. So what do you want from me?
Don't make my life difficult, mate.
I'm not trying to. What do you want from me, like? Pass the vape. I got my girl in the car as well. Just trying to put on a show.
Oh, you're a police auditor, you bet?
Doesn't matter what I am. You gonna write me a ticket? I don't want to answer questions now. This is what you wanted. You said, oh, let me go to the order. You're getting what you want. They hate it when they find out that the car's legit, it's insured. I've got a license. So just know I'm gonna get paid off this video, innit? So do what you gotta do. Let's see if they're gonna try to search the car as well.
If the earlier moments were tension building, this is the breaking point. The final segment erupts with the kind of intensity that makes viewers sit upright. The officer claims it's an offense not to carry a license, a statement that immediately draws scrutiny. The driver doesn't react emotionally. He responds logically, pressing for specifics. And then comes the turning point. When asked what speed the driver was actually going, the officer admits he doesn't know. That single admission changes everything. In one instant, The foundation of the stop appears unstable. Viewers can practically feel the credibility shift in real time. Authority depends on certainty, and uncertainty is now visible. But the tension doesn't stop there. The situation escalates when the officer's attention seems to drift toward the passenger, prompting the driver to call out what he perceives as inappropriate behavior. The tone sharpens. What began as a legal debate transforms into a direct confrontation. Accusations fly, and the atmosphere tightens to a breaking point. The driver's confidence peaks here. He's no longer just questioning. He's challenging. His words come faster, sharper, more pointed. The officer, meanwhile, appears increasingly frustrated, as though the script he expected to follow has slipped out of his hands. Then, almost abruptly, it ends. A dismissal. A final remark. An exit that feels less like a resolution and more like a sudden curtain drop. And that abrupt ending is what makes this moment unforgettable. There's no neat conclusion, no tidy wrap-up, just a charged silence that lingers after the last word is spoken. For viewers, this is the payoff. The tension that started quietly now closes with undeniable intensity. What looked like a simple roadside stop has transformed into a moment of confrontation, exposure, and raw human reaction. And as the scene fades, one question hangs in the air. Who really had control in the end? White heavy checkmark done for you. Structured narration. Suspense pacing. Clear dramatic arc. Voiceover ready tone. White medium star if you want maximum viral impact. I can also now compress these into short cinematic narration versions or add dramatic punchlines at the end of each segment for retention spikes. Just say, short version or punchlines.
Oh, I can't be fucked to get out of the car.
Yeah, I'd be interested to hear the grounds for that. But now's not the time to be putting on lip gloss, bro.
You still got bail conditions?
Yep.
What are they?
To sleep at my address.
Is that just the live and sleep conditions, right?
That's it.
Yeah.
Don't do that, bro. Hold my hand, I'm nervous.
I'm shaking.
I'm nervous. No, not really. Are you nervous?
No,
It's like a test for you, innit? See if you can handle the pressure.
you can handle the pressure still.
Don't talk like that, bro. This is serious. Yeah, we'll pick this back up. Nothing better to do, bro. It's an offence to not carry your license with you. It's like
Won't be long, just wait for my control room to get
alright, so what speed was I doing?
back.
What speed was I doing?
I don't know what speed you were doing, but you
Alright.
were doing far more
I would,
than
I would expect you to know like what speed I was
because
doing.
you come past side on. I was in lane 1 and you've come past me.
I wasn't. I definitely weren't doing a lot more
don't
than
argue,
70.
you were.
No, but we'll argue. I got it on dash cam, mate. Of course I'm gonna argue. I legit weren't even going that quick. Like some jobs were fed, man. Say what? He was staring at your boobs as well. Should I stick it on him?
Sorry, can I just have your name, please?
Why? You don't need her name. Don't look at her. Don't look at her boobs. Don't look at her boobs
You've
as
got
well.
bail conditions. No, I'm looking at her face.
Yeah, don't look at her
You've got
boobs
ba-
again.
you've got Bail conditions not to speak, be in presence of people, so I just need to check you're not breaching your bail conditions.
Yeah. I'm not, mate. What are you asking her name? Don't look at her breast again, bro. That's weird, bro. Weirdo, man. You done or not?
You're really childish, you are.
Oh, no, that's you, mate.
Haven't